Excuse me, señorito. May I ask a question, señorito? Jin Xiaoming Hao Jian Bao Xiong. I want to go to Naga City, Cebu. Where?
Naga?
Yeah. Where can I go? I'm sorry, señorito. I'm Chinese.
Chinese.
China. Yeah.
Makatindi ka bisaya?
No entiende, señorito. No entiende. Only English.
Straight lang.
So I want to go straight. What is the place when I go there?
Right. Layo pa. Distance kamay. Distance.
Meijin Baojin Hao Jian Bao Qiao. Meijin Baojin Hao Jian Bao Qiao. 我黑色雷公人系，我黑色雷公人系。
Doon. Mau tanah ka, mantap bunok.
Yeah.
Mingla.
Excuse me, señorito. I can understand Bisaya, English only.
English. Tabunok. Going to bunok.
Yeah.
Going to Mingla.
So Tabunok, Mingla.
Mingla.
Okay.
Then Tungkop. Tungkop Mingla.
Yeah.
Then
So Phong Khối là Chuang Khối là Phong Khối là Chuai Phong là Phong Phong Nam.
Naga.
Phong Khối là Chuai Phong là Phong Phong Nam. Do you have any recommendation? Where is the best restaurant there?
I can speak
Restaurant.
No.
What is best restaurant there? Best restaurant.
I don't know. I can. Wait. Yeah. Wait.
So I want go. Okay. I will ask there.
Straight.
Thank you so much, señorita. What do you do here?
Job.
You don't have work?
Pass travel my mini dam. Ako may truck na mini dam.
So you are a driver?
Owner.
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 Really?
Campusing in gravels.
Okay, thank you so much, señorita. What is your name? Marlon, I am Raji Siji. Because of your so very kind, I have something for you. You're so very kind, señorito. I have something for you. This is small, but this is comes from my heart. No. This is for you, for your kindness. Okay? No. Get this. No. Get this. Because you're so very kind. No.
Thank you, sir.
So I want to go. You're so very kind. Do you have family?
No.
Only, are you single?
Yes.
Okay. So, grabe ka pagkabutan mo. Butan.
Vlog yun, sir?
Vlog. Imuha na.
Vlog yun ka?
Vlogger. Isa nga mo?
One. Jim.
Aray ko, Jima. Dapat, Jima. Okay, imuha na. Snack ba?
Thank you.